What's up guys, Sal here. So the Pixel 3 and 3 XL will launch on October 4th, but someone already unboxed the phone. Not much can be gleaned from the brief video, which quickly sidelines the phone to concentrate on the packaging. Included is a charging brick and cable plus a USB Type-C to 3.5mm adapter, so only the wired headphones are an unexpected addition. We also have images that gives us a better view of everything. They were shared by Russian tech blogger who says it's a pre-release version and doesn't disclose where he got it. That being said, the notches on other phones are ugly, but they're not as distracting as this one. That notch makes that status bar look so bulky. It looks like someone took a bite out of the top part of your phone. Google messed up bad. You have an operating system that is heavily into status bar notifications, so instead of a notch, a very thin bezel at the top like Galaxy line should have been the design choice as to not cut into the screen viewing like this. I mean, damn, that thing is literally a black spot on your screen, like some giant dead pixel. Honestly, the OnePlus 6 is the best looking Android phone with a notch, mostly because its bottom bezel isn't as thick as we've seen with the Pixel 3 XL. And that's coming from a guy who literally hates the notch. I think what I'm most disappointed by is how the Pixel design is not forward thinking at all. Every year it just feels like a rehash of what was popular that year. The Pixel should be a phone that sets a new standard, not just chases what Apple and other manufacturers have already done. Google is missing a huge opportunity here, and I'm worried that this one in particular will really set back the Pixel line. I really don't know what to think at this point. We've seen so many leaks already that none of this is a surprise, and yet the fact that the phone still hasn't made an impact on me one way or the other might well speak volumes. I'll wait for the reviews before I pass final judgment, but at this point, with just 4GB of RAM and with a design like this, I don't think this device would last for long. Anyway, what do you think about this? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Peace out.
What the f? Okay.